On the 11th day of Christmas, Willow gave to me 31% off games and puzzles to entertain our families. Today is our 11th day. We're getting down to the wire here, and the special for the day is 31% off of all of our puzzles, Book Nook miniatures, and tabletop games here. So there's lots of fun ways to entertain the family when they're all gathered together over the holidays. We have our green tree puzzles, so many different ones. Some of them have the shapes in them. Some of them are nice small ones. You know, if you've got just not a lot of time to do it, but you want something to pass the time, the small ones are great for that. And then my personal favorite, the tabletop croquet set. Love, love, love this one. Lots of fun. So come on in today between 11 a.m. and 6 p.m. and pick up your 11th day of Christmas special on puzzles and games.